All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about our February 2025 company that we're going to use for the entirety of February. What company is that? Chattanooga Beard Co. That's what we're going to use for the whole month of February. Have I ever used them before? No, I've never used them before. Haven't even opened this package. So if you're interested to see what we got and what we're going to be using for the entire month of February, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, you have definitely come to the right channel. One thing about my channel, if you are new here, is we do all of our videos outside in a hammock, with the exception of a few that we've had to do inside, but most part we do them outside. This is not a green screen. That's real life. That is real life back there. So what we're gonna do, if you're new to my channel, is I purchase what I want to use for a particular month. This month for February, I purchased an oil and I think a butter from Chattanooga Beard Co. And we're going to use it until the end of the month. And at the end of the month, I'm going to give you a review of not only the products, but the company, the website, the whole works, tell you what I think about them. And yeah, so let's dive in. First off, let me say that it took 5 days for shipping for this to arrive from the day I placed my order to it coming in. Now, I did place it kind of late at night, so it may have taken, if I place it in the morning, it may have taken 4 days. I don't know, but there it is. Chattanooga Beard Co., based out of Nashville, Tennessee. Hashtag Beard Simple. I'll have a link to them in the description below, so you can go check them out. I've never used them before. I just found them on Instagram and jumped over, perused, and said, you know what, let me snag something. So what we're going to use to open this package is the Gerber Swagger. If I can get it open, my hands are like ice. It is freezing today, but let's see what we got. So let's get in there. Okay, so we got that. Let's put that back. Now, packing slip. I already smell it coming out. So I ended up paying right at $40 for a balm. I didn't get a butter. I got a balm and an oil. First time buyer, got a little discount code on there. They see me as a consumer. They do not know I am a reviewer. So I got a first time discount code, which saved me, I think, 15%. So that took $5 off. And I got the whole thing for $39 and some change. And that includes tax and almost $6 shipping. So my discount really much covered the shipping. So there you go. And I see the name of the scent, but I don't remember what the scent profile was. The name of the scent is Church Warden. Church Warden, one word, but I already smell it coming out the bag and I can't decipher what is the key notes of it yet. So let me tell you this. Anytime you purchase products in the or online and they come in beard products, whether it be balms, butters, I don't really do it with the oils, but balms and butters, throw it in the fridge. As soon as it comes in, just like this, throw that whole package in the fridge for a couple hours, all right? Give it a chance to re-solidify, all right? In case it got hot in transit. You know, it may be cold today, but in that delivery truck or in that mail truck, it may be hot and it may have started to melt. So just to be safe, throw it in the fridge for a couple hours. All right, so we've got nice little wrap here on the oil. The oil, Church Warden, if it will focus. All right, so there you go. It does have the scent profile on there. I caught a glimpse of one thing, but I'm gonna try not to read it, but I did catch a glimpse of one thing. So let's give it a shake. This comes in an amber glass, 1 ounce beard oil. Oh, it's got a little shrink wrap here on the top. So let's see if my hands are not too cold. If I can get that taken off. There we go. All right, so amber glass bottle. We'll look at the label a little closer and ingredients in a minute, because I don't want to spoil the fun of figuring out where the scent is. Ooh, clear. That is clear. Now, it may not look clear on screen, but it is a clear oil. Oh my. I get cherry right off the rip. I get some cherry. All right. And I get tobacco. Oh my. That is probably one of the better cherry tobacco. All right, let's see what it is actually. Pipe tobacco and cherry. Okay, I got the cherry right off the rip. You get that sweetness of the cherry, and then you get that tobacco on the back end, just out of bottle. Now, I don't know what it's gonna be when we warm it up and get it on our beard, but that smells phenomenal. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So it's got the little pipe on there. I tried not to look at the label, but I did see the pipe. But I didn't see the cherry. The cherry hit me. The cherry hit me. So let's see what our ingredients are on this. Our ingredients are sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and fragrance. Very, very minimal ingredients. So that is awesome. I love that. We have 1, 2, 3 ingredients plus our fragrance. So there you go. Now let's check out the balm. And I don't know if I showed the label real well, but here's the label. If it will, let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. So there's the label, and it's coming back to me. So the label, and then we have our premium beard balm, same scent, Church Warden. And what are our ingredients? We have coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, lanolin, and fragrance. Pipe tobacco and cherry. There's that. No rattle. Oh my God. That smells so good. All right, let's give it the test. Let's see. Oh, that's smooth. Oh, that's smooth. I can already do, and it's as cold as it is out here today. I can't wipe that on me because I got to do it. I got to wait. That's the rules. That's the rules we play by, or I play by. Man, that smells so good. All right. So I will have a link to Chattanooga Beard Co. in the description. This is Church Warden. If just first impression has done enough for you, get over, make a purchase. If not, I'm no affiliate. I have no discount codes. I have none of that. They think I'm just a consumer. All right. So get over, check them out, see what you think about it, and come back at the end of February, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts on this balm and this oil, including my thoughts on their website, their layout, everything like that. So I already said 5-day shipping is what it took for it to get to my house from Tennessee. Now I'm closer to Tennessee, I guess, than some people. But yeah, pipe tobacco and cherry. That's Church Warden. They had a bunch of different scents to choose from, and I'm a huge fan of pipe tobacco, and any tobacco scent just usually smells really good to me. So there you go. 2-ounce balm, 1-ounce oil, and that's all we got. Have you ever used Chattanooga Beard Co? Do you know who they are? Have you ever heard of them? Drop it in the comments, let me know. And I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.